Okay, first, let's check the sound quality. 2-in-1 head. iPhone at the Type-C. Magnetic. AI noise reduction mode. Reverb mode. Reverb mode turned off. I'm speaking from exactly the same spot, so you can judge my voice is clearly 1.8 meters from my phone. Alright, let's test the distance. I will start with around 10 meters. I'm going to walk away slowly. 10 meters. 20 meters. Now 30 meters. The laboratory that shows it can walk at a distance of 30 meters, but I want to do extreme test 50 meters, so I'm keep moving. Okay, 40 meters. Still connected or not? I'll go a bit further. Alright, 50 meters.